What will happen if world has 50% land and 50% water? Imagine a world where the balance between land and water is perfectly equal, with 50% of the Earth's surface covered by land and the other 50% by water. This shift would bring about profound changes to our environment, ecosystems, societies, and economies. As we delve into this hypothetical scenario, we will explore the potential impacts on climate, agriculture, biodiversity, human settlement, and global geopolitics. The most immediate and noticeable change would be in the Earth's climate. Currently, the ocean plays a significant role in regulating the planet's temperature by absorbing heat and redistributing it around the globe. With a 50-50 split between land and water, this balance would be disrupted. The larger land masses would lead to greater temperature extremes, with hotter summers and colder winters, especially in the interiors of continents. Coastal areas might still benefit from the moderating influence of the seas, but the overall climate would become more volatile. Agriculture would undergo a dramatic transformation. The increase in available arable land would likely lead to a boom in food production. However, this would come with its own set of challenges. New land would need to be made fertile, requiring significant investment in soil management and irrigation infrastructure. Regions previously unsuitable for agriculture due to aridity or poor soil quality might now become viable, shifting global agricultural patterns. Countries that are currently major food importers might become self-sufficient, altering international trade dynamics. Biodiversity would be affected in numerous ways. The expansion of land would create new habitats for terrestrial species, potentially leading to the discovery of new flora and fauna. However, the reduction in ocean surface area could have detrimental effects on marine life. Coral reefs, which are already under threat from climate change, might face even greater challenges due to the reduced ocean area. This would have cascading effects on the marine food chain, affecting fish populations and, consequently, the humans and animals that rely on them for food. Human settlement patterns would shift dramatically. With more land available, there would be a significant push towards developing new cities and expanding existing ones. Coastal cities might expand inland, reducing the risk of flooding and storm surges. However, this expansion would need to be carefully managed to avoid environmental degradation and to ensure that new developments are sustainable. Urban planning would become more critical than ever, with a focus on creating resilient and adaptable communities. The geopolitical landscape would also undergo significant changes. Countries with large new land masses would find themselves in positions of increased power and influence. Territorial disputes might arise over these new lands, leading to potential conflicts. International cooperation would be essential to manage these changes peacefully. Additionally, new land could provide opportunities for resource extraction, including minerals, fossil fuels, and fresh water, further shifting global power dynamics. Conclusion. In this imagined world where land and water are balanced equally, the changes would be far-reaching and multifaceted. From climate and agriculture to biodiversity and human settlement, every aspect of life on Earth would be touched by this transformation. While some changes would bring about opportunities for growth and development, others would pose significant challenges that require innovative solutions and global cooperation. This thought experiment serves as a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains our current world and the importance of maintaining it for future generations.